Hello, everyone, and welcome to day 3 of our 30 days IELTS challenge on Sarah and Bonafe's inspirations. If you have completed day 1 and day 2, you are doing a fantastic job. Keep learning one lesson every day, and by the end of this challenge, you will feel much more confident about taking the IELTS exams. Today's lesson is all about the IELTS reading test. We will learn reading format, difference between academic and general reading, what skimming and scanning means, common question types, tips to improve your reading score, and at the end of this lesson, I will give you today's practice task. So, let's get started. Let's start with the section 1 of today's lesson. What is the IELTS reading test? The reading section checks how well you understand written English. You will answer 40 questions based on different reading passages. You have 60 minutes to complete the entire reading test. Unlike the listening test, you don't get extra time to transfer your answers. So you must write your answers directly on the answer sheet or computer. Time management is very important. Section 2, Academic versus General Reading. There are two versions of reading test: academic reading and general reading. Academic reading is for students planning to study at a university. The passages are longer and more difficult. Topics may include science, education, technology, history, or research. General training reading is for work or immigration. The passages are easier and include advertisement, notices, company information, newspaper, and everyday articles. Although the topics are different, both tests contain 40 questions. Now let's talk about skimming. One of the biggest mistakes students make is trying to read every single word. That wastes a lot of time. Instead, learn skimming. Skimming means reading quickly and understand the main idea of a passage. When you skim, focus on headings, first sentence, last sentence, and important words. Don't worry about every detail. Just understand what the paragraph is mainly about. For example, imagine a paragraph talking about climate change. You don't need to read every sentence carefully. Instead, quickly identify that the paragraph discusses the cause of climate change. That's skimming. Now let's see what is scanning. Scanning means looking for one specific piece of information. For example, a date, a person's name, a number, a place, a year. Instead of reading everything, your eyes search only for that information. Scanning saves a lot of time. For example, the question asks, when was the company established? Now you don't read the whole passage. You only scan until you find the year. That is scanning. Now let's learn about common IELTS reading question types. Here are some common question types you will see. Multiple choice. Choose the correct answer. True, false, not given. Decide whether the statement agrees with the passage. Matching headings. Match each paragraph with the best heading. Sentence completion. Complete sentences using word from the passage. Summary completion. Fill in missing words. Diagram or verbal completion. Complete a picture or diagram. Matching information. Match information with the correct paragraph. The more you practice these question type, the easier they will become. Follow some simple tips to improve your reading section. Tip number 1. Don't read every word. Use skimming first. Tip 2. Use scanning to find answer quickly. Tip 3. Underline keywords in the question before reading. Tip 4. Manage your time. Try spending about 20 minutes per passage. Tip number 5. Practice reading English every day. You can read newspaper, blogs, magazine, articles, books. The more you read, the faster you will become familiar. Now let's do a quick practice together. Read this short paragraph. Many students believe that regular reading improves vocabulary, increases confidence, and help achieve higher IELTS score. Reading English newspapers for just 20 minutes every day can make a significant difference. Now pause the video and answer this question. Share your answer in the comment section. I would be happy to check it. The answer is B. Regular reading improves IELTS performance. This is an example of skimming because you identified the main idea. Question number 2 is how many minutes should student read every day? Now it's your turn to answer this question and share in the comment section. This question is an example of scanning because you search for one specific number. Have you got this? Excellent. Today's homework is simple. Read one English newspaper article or one short blog post. Then answer these three questions. What is the main idea? Find two numbers or dates. Write five new vocabulary words. Share your answers in the comments if you would like feedback. Congratulations! You have completed day 3 of our 30 days IELTS challenge. Tomorrow we will learn one of the most important topic, writing task 1 and task 2 structure. If you found today's lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sarah and Boniface Inspirations. Keep practicing, stay consistent and remember, small step every day lead to big success in IELTS. I recommend checking revision worksheets for day 3 lesson. I will paste the link in the description. So that's all for today. I will see you in day 4. Goodbye.